How to restore your old WhatsApp chats on Android. First of all, let's navigate and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once the app is open up on the screen, from the top left side, tap on the three lines. From this menu, select the very last option, which is settings. Once the settings page is open up on the screen, here find and tap on chats. On this page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on chat backup. This is a page where we can apply for backup. So first of all, you need to select your Google account. Select the Google account where you want to store this backup. Secondly, you can select automatic backups. It will allow you daily backup, weekly or monthly. You can select according to your requirement. Also, you can enable include videos and backup using cellular. Once everything is set, simply tap on backup and the backup process will be start and restore within the given time. And that's it. This is how to restore your old WhatsApp chat on Android. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.